Hello, what's good, guys? So today I'll be showing you how you can add a project to the Portfoleeo template using Framer's powerful CMS. As you can see, these are the projects that have already been added. This is really simple, so all you need to do is go to the CMS and open the specific collection titled project listings and go to add a new item. So the fields are category, title of the project, short description, a link, and a preview image. So for this project, the category is library. It's a component library. The name is Creo. I had a short description already written out, so just paste that in and the link to the project. After pasting that in, the last thing is just to add in the preview image. And it's genuinely that simple. All you need to do is save it, and when we go back to the actual design, you can see it's been updated. So on the side panel, you can switch the order in which it appears, so the new projects that you add will now appear at the top instead of at the bottom. And yeah, that's it. It's genuinely that simple. Oh, and one last thing. If you want to get this Portfoleeo template, you can find it on my Lemon Squeezy storefront at a 50% discount for the entire of January. The link is in my description, as well as the promo code. Happy designing and Godspeed.